Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can share notes on an iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, let's go ahead and open the Notes app, then choose what particular note you would like to share. Then at the, top right corner or like in the middle, tap and go on this share icon. Then choose what people or what person in particular you would like to share this note with. Send them the link. And from now, once they will use this link, they will be able to share, or should I say to edit this note. You can also manage the shared note by seeing what particular people are in this little shared note, or add some new one, or remove existing by tapping on the remove access button. You can manage the access, the rights that this person has to, like can or cannot add people, can make changes or view only, highlight all changes, hide alerts. So share options, you can also configure them, like who can access, only people you invite or anyone with the link, which permission the people will have, so they will be able to edit in general or view only. And adding people can be also configured or set up. Next, you can copy the link to the notes and send it to anybody through any social network or chat app that you'd like. So let me pass this little link so you'll see what does it look like. As you can see, like so. And basically any person who will be able to, who will tap on this link will be able to share the note with you, having the rights and permissions that you have set for him or her. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. That's everything I can tell you about the shared notes. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.